Hey everyone! Are you looking for a high-quality, safe, and efficient body hair trimmer that works for both men and women? Well, today we're reviewing the ANLAN Body Hair Trimmer, a powerful grooming tool that's compact, waterproof, and built for a smooth shaving experience. Stick around to see why this could be the perfect addition to your grooming routine. Let's dive into what makes this trimmer stand out. First up, it comes with two different guard lengths, 3mm and 6mm, allowing you to customize your shave just the way you like it. Whether it's your armpits, legs, arms, or even more sensitive areas, this trimmer keeps you neat, clean, and comfortable. Safety is key when it comes to grooming, and ANLAN understands that. This trimmer features rust-proof ceramic snap-in blades with an R-angle design, meaning you get a smooth and irritation-free shave every single time. No more nicks, cuts, or discomfort. Not only is it safe, but it's also incredibly compact and portable. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for home use, travel, or business trips. Just throw it in your bag, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite features, the IPX7 waterproof rating. You can use it wet or dry, in or out of the shower, and cleaning it is super easy. Simply rinse the removable ceramic head under water, and you're done. Using the ANLAN Body Hair Trimmer is simple. Here's how you get the best results. Keycap 1. Hold the trimmer loosely against your skin. Keycap 2. Move it slowly and steadily against the direction of hair growth. Keycap 3. Enjoy a quick, hassle-free shave thanks to its powerful motor. It really is that easy. Plus, with its LED display, you always know your battery status, so you're never caught off guard. So, is the ANLAN Body Hair Trimmer worth it? Absolutely. It's safe, efficient, portable, waterproof, and perfect for both men and women. Whether you need a quick touch-up or a full grooming session, this trimmer has got you covered. And the best part? ANLAN offers a 1-year worry-free guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. If you have any questions, their customer support is always ready to help. If you're ready to upgrade your grooming game, click the link in the description to get your own ANLAN Body Hair Trimmer today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome reviews. See you in the next one.